Hi viewers, today we try to discuss how to integrate the chatbot into your website. And this is frequently asked questions, and this will be revolves around the knowledge and the concepts and techniques and process revolve or involved in this one. So without further delay, now let us jump into the session. So in order to integrate your website, the three main things is important is first one is a website. This is the most important one, and the second one will be the large language model with a custom knowledge or the service you are providing, that we can do with the technical terms as a RAG or fine tune the LLM. The LLM providers, as you know, in the market. The third most important thing will be the hosting. Hosting means running that fine-tuned LLM or a RAG on a public server and providing the embedded hosting. It's not as in full hosting, it will be the embedded hosting. We try to see in detail in a later. And the fourth one will be the platforms which is readily available. You can give the data where they can fine tune and they can host the things to you. Means second and third they are combining and making as a service platform. You need not to have this one. You can provide your document. We can provide the documents. It can fine tune and it can be do the hosting too. Now we try to go one by one. The first and foremost will be the website. The website can be designed by the no-code drag and drop builders, Wix, Squarespace, Weebly, Webflow, GoDaddy. So this is the no-code website. Now we can see the CMS, Content Management System. Content Management System. We can see WordPress, Joomla, Drupal and Ghost. In the content management system, WordPress is also, and the third one will be the e-commerce platform, Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce and Adobe Commerce. So these are the commerce related, e-commerce related platform, and developer friendly platform is nothing but the web page, Netlify, Vercel and Bootstrap Studio. So by using any one of this one, you can create the website. The first part is completed in our custom data. For that one, you need to have it as one LLM. There is a lot of LLMs in the market: GPT, Gemini, Mistral, Llama. So these are the four. Apart from this one, DeepSeek and other things is also been there. But how to fine tune, and after that one mean in the process of uploading your data, preparing in a JSON format and fine tune are in a RAG, and they are only providing the deploy, or we need to provide the deploy. Deploy is nothing but a hosting. So this is the OpenAI fine tuning and assistance API, something they try to do with a custom GPT that will try to open in the GPT only. It cannot be used as a chatbot. It is called customized for your data, but it cannot be extended to the chatbot. But the same thing they are telling, it can be used with assistant API, but they try to fine tune, but we need to deploy. Deploy mean we need to take that one by using the Flask or Hugging Face or any other environment. We need to take the data and make it as a running. That is the meaning of a deploy or a host. And Hugging Face is also there, where we select the model, prepare the data set, use a trainer, PEFT, and train and deploy in the hub, and you can make it as a hosting. Hugging Face is also both you can use it for in training and hosting. And LangChain and VectorDB, by using the code also we can make the things by using the Python or using the low code or no code, N8 and make.com, any other platform where you can make it, and Llama Index and AWS Bedrock and SageMaker, which are the cloud providers. You can see at the AWS, and you can see the GCP, the same services also it is offering. What is the most essence here? It is you need to provide your custom data and how you need to train on the LLM. And the third one, how to deploy it. Once you deploy it, you try to get it as one URL. That URL you can come over here. It is called as an embedded hosting or a full hosting. That is nothing but the self-hosted. There is no code to set up, add the chartboard to your website by using the script or iframe. It will be very easily. Quick deployment platforms like a Chartbase, Tido, Intercom offer ready to use the boards by using this concept is called embedded hosting. Now let me take to the N8N platform. You can see I am clicking when chart is received, and you can see make the chart public available. Here it is the mode embedded chart versus hosted chart. You can see there is a two variety it is providing. So embedded chart will be the fine, so that we need to integrate into our website rather than the hosted chart. Hosted chart mean it try to take the entire screen. Embedded chart mean we can integrate by using the script or iframe readily. Full hosting mean where again we need to drag the URL and customize the Flask or Fast API, and we need to use the services from the AWS Vercel by using the code Flask Fast API. And this is the intermediary person which will be taking this thing and modifying. And apart from this one, there is a Hugging Face is also there. So it is better to having a embedded hosting rather than full hosting in case of a chartboard. Now I try to tell the top 5 chartboard platforms which is ready to use without any headache. One is called Tido, which is available with a WordPress. Second one is a Chartbase. Third one is Intercom. Fourth one is a Landboard. Fifth one will be the Drift. So these are all ready-madely. You can go there and give your data and pay as you go, and they can give. And if you like this video, for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts, please write in the comment section, and we try to meet in the next video. Until then, bye.